All right, you guys, family, welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we're going to catch y'all up to speed. We haven't been recording, but we've been working. So we're still working, but we want to start y'all off in the back. You know, we was debating about the kitchen for a while, going back and forth about the kitchen, and it's like, I need a kitchen. So we agreed upon, I like the teardrop style galley kitchen, so we agreed to that, and this is what we have. We have the sink right here, and the faucet will be going on this side, on the far end. We have a cabinet that goes up under the sink. For all this stuff is considered my side or whatever. Paper towel, soap rack. I'm gonna put something over here for seasoning and different things to cook with, spatulas, knives, and all of that. But yeah, I'm very proud of the way the kitchen turned out. And of course, we got the pull down table on the door that it folds up. And I got to find a solution to the legs. I'm thinking of maybe something that screws in and out when I put the leg down. But yeah, overall, I'm satisfied with the kitchen and how it turned out. As I said, yeah, this comes up, this whole thing, it folds back up. Like I said, I got to find a situation where I'm thinking of, what do you call it? Some type of screw with maybe a rubber end, a plastic end that screws in, screws out, legs screw in, screw out. And this is enough room for, let me grab a cooler. All right, so yeah, I made it where it's enough room for the cooler, you know, enough room to pull that out and, you know, open the cooler. There's also enough room to slide the Blackstone back up under there. So yeah, and I put a wall right here to block my daughter's bed from everything. But let me show you something else that I put on as well. All right, so I've also ran my Sure plug into the wall, to the side of it. I just got to situate it to where unplugging the Sure power and plugging it back to the inverter, which I haven't put that part in yet. But so I ran my Sure power, cut that hole out yesterday as well. The front brakes were freezing up, so I had to take the tires off and bleed the brakes to get them to run, and the engine is still doing fine. Something else that I was playing around with, it's not going to work this way, but we're gonna figure that out. I took the cover off. I didn't like the, you know, the grandfather looking cover or the old school vintage cover looking thing, but we're gonna paint this black probably for the most part. But yeah, that's it so far. Oh no, one more thing. All right, so we've been keeping the children out of here for a reason.
Mm-hmm.
We want to get a real life update,
A reaction.
a reaction of how they're going to act. We don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe happy, maybe sad. They may like this, they may not like that. But we're gonna bring y'all along with us to get the reactions. And well, you can tell them how they've been asking you to come out here.
Yeah.
Or, you know.
We've been out here cleaning up. Like you said, we didn't get recorded, but we've been still working, changing up some things. But they've been asking, I'm so ready to see the van. I want to see my bed. I want to see this. And I said, no, just wait. I'm gonna let y'all see it, because we didn't quite know exactly how we want to do this or that. And then like I wanted to surprise them and put some of their little beddings on there too. So we're about to go get them now, because they are really asking me, is it time yet? Is it time yet? So we're about to go get them and get their reaction and see if they like it.
Yep.
So far, they can add the touches they want to add, but
You want to show them around in it before you come in?
yeah, we can. Okay. All right, let's go inside. Okay, here it is. Here is their bed. This is our son's bed, and this is our daughter's bed. As you see, she loves Stitch, and this is not even half of the stuff that she have with Stitch on it. Okay, so this is their bed, and like I said, we just want to get their reaction, and you all see it as well, because you are family. And let's see what they think. All right, I'm going to get them now. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Who go first? Kaden. Close your eyes. And it goes.
I can't see where I'm going.
Okay. All right. Open.
Oh my goodness.
All right, walk in. Okay, you ready?
Show them your shirt. Stitch, of course.
Oh. Ready for Egypt?
Yep.
Come in. All right, ready?
Yep, come on.
All right, open.
You're joking me. Bro, this is nice, man.
All right, there's our bed.
This is so cool.
All right, so what do y'all think?
Yeah, honest opinion.
I say it's nice.
You like it?
Very nice.
I think this is very cool.
Lay down and try it out.
Okay.
Yep.
Take your shoes off. I'm gonna tell you to
Okay.
take your shoes off.
Okay,
All right.
that's it.
Yarning already.
Huh?
Yarning already.
You sleepy?
No.
I want a mirror right here.
Want
Okay.
mirror right there?
Yes, and then like a little shelf or something. Like a I can't explain it. I don't know.
Yeah, like a little shelf.
Like
Whatever.
a box shelf.
Yeah. Whenever we go to the store, then you can look and
Okay.
kind of get an
I
idea.
know what mirror I want.
You do?
Yes, it's called a wavy mirror.
Okay.
A wavy mirror. Okay.
To be honest, me and my sister love this. It's like when we camp, we're gonna be laying in our beds.
You said, what'd you say? We need a fridge? Yeah.
Yeah, I said we need a fridge like down here.
Mm-hmm.
Cooler.
Well, we already got a cooler.
So what are y'all ready to do when we go camping or go do on our
Go
adventures?
anywhere?
On our adventures.
Okay. I'm ready to see, like, while we're traveling, I'm ready to see animals, and I'm ready to go to Washington D.C.
Uh-oh, Washington, D.C.
and the beach.
All right.
To be honest, I want to take this van to Philadelphia.
Ooh, let's get it. See the Eagles, baby.
Super Bowl.
Oh, by the way, Eagles win the Super Bowl.
That's right.
Okay,
Give me
okay.
some.
What would you need for your...
Door closed.
Oh, the wind did that. what would you need for your game system? Where'd you play your game at?
That is an interesting question because I do not know where to set it up.
You have your table too. You can put on your lap.
Oh
maybe.
yeah, his desk.
Just sit it right here or on this side, however you want to do it, or in front of you. Have a table.
And on the days they gotta do schoolwork.
Yeah. Y'all have a table.
They're homeschooled, so on the days they gotta do schoolwork, they have tables. I guess the same desk. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
She is comfortable.
I
Do I need to get off your bed, so you good?
No, I'm about to get out of this van. This looks sick.
All right. All right.
Make sure y'all subscribe for more.
All right. You did say make sure y'all subscribe for more.
And also, by the way, our daughter is 10, will be 11 in April. And our son is 18, will be graduating this May. And I think we mentioned it before, but he is autistic. As you see, he's very intelligent, and he loves this, which is awesome. It's a change, and you know, some kids or people with change, they don't do too good with change, but he actually is looking forward to, you know, taking adventures and trying different things. So yes, he is autistic, but he's been doing very, very well. And like I said, he's about to come out of school, and I don't know if I'm ready for it, but it is what it is. But yeah.
And that was one of the the bills. We had to make the bill comfortable for him.
Yeah.
Because, you know, by him having autism, he sleep a certain way and got to have his own space sometimes to play his game, and you know, different things that I put into consideration. That we had to think about before we could actually come up with a bill too. You know, as I always say, you know, a solo bill is easy to get on the road and go, but we had to put into consideration that whenever we're parked somewhere, that we could put curtains up to just so he can feel like he's in his own space, and she can feel like she's in her own space. So that was another thing with the bill that we had to look into, that by him having autism, making it comfortable and not overwhelming or overstimulated. Yeah. Kind of warm in here. Yeah. This is a warm day, and it's kind of warm in here, so air circulation is on the agenda.
Yeah. Yep. But yes, family, we got our kids in here today to get their reaction, and that's like the most important thing, to see how they like it, and adding, you know, touches that they would like or they need. Of course, me and Dad's gonna be fine, but we wanted to make sure like that our kids were straight, you know. But they approved, so we're ready to ride. Family, we will be going on our adventures soon, very, very, very soon. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and also ring that bell so you know when our next video is posted. But again, we'll see you guys in the next one.